Hi everyone, this is Shelly and welcome to Life Creates Art and part 4 of our pouring series. Super excited about this. This is going to be the last of the series of our pours, and there are a zillion pours out there. Excuse me just a second. Let me introduce you to my assistant, my lovely assistant, Dallana Corona. She's going to be helping me today. She wants to learn how to do this, and I want to encourage you on this note to grab your kids and grab your teenagers and have them help you with this, because I've really seen so many videos where it's just one person doing this, and please grab somebody and say, come on, let's do a balloon pour. Call up your friend and get them over here and have them help you with it. Not only that, they can learn a new craft. So Dallana is here, and she's a beautiful member of our family. And so we're going to be doing this together. Now, Dallana, we're going to start with, I have already prepared lots of different kinds of paint. Today we're doing, I apologize, today we're doing dipping, balloon dipping, and a string pull pour. So very excited about that. Again, there are a million out there that I could continue to do, but we're going to end it with these three and have a lot of fun. I honestly have never done these before, and so that's the spirit of this channel, is the spirit of exploration and having fun and learning new things. So we're going to go ahead, and I've got all these paints already prepared. I've already got my Floetrol is what I'm using today, and I've already put watered it down with my water with 5 to 10% alcohol in it. And then in some of them, not all of them, I dropped my silicone in there. First one we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a dipping. And so I have prepared, while she's stirring this, I have prepared I used a cereal box, Reese's Puff cereal box. And this is an 8 by 10 canvas. And I squared it off. I wrote with a pen on the outside, just so I knew where my parameters were to pour on this. Directly on this is what we're going to be doing. And so let's see, Dallana. Yeah, it should be a little bit like buttermilk, a thinner consistency. I've talked extensively about the consistency of your paints in other videos, so not going to take a whole lot of time doing that tonight. But so let's set that down. I think I am going to add a little bit of silicone. I've got to open it up. And silicone, again, brings out those cells that everybody loves and everybody desires. And I am just going to really quickly stir these. Thank you, Dallana. Just to make sure. And now, thank you. Now what we're going to do, Dallana, I'd like you to pour a strip just right there. Now, this is the white we have to, I'm out of Floetrol. So this is the white we're going to be using for all three of the paintings, but go for it and just pour right in the center. Okay, you can start from whichever end. Perfect. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, you want to just do that? Yeah. No, that's fine. We're going to spread it out a little bit. Actually, let's pour just a tiny bit more, one little strip across. That's perfect. Awesome. Okay. Got to make sure that it's going to spread out. Now, woohoo! Now what I want you to do is take whatever colors you want. I wanted to do kind of all of the colors, and we're going to do this type of action. Okay, I'm going to show you. Just sort of dropping it all over like this. Okay, with all of these colors. So go for it. Okay, Is that going to be it?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our 8x10 and we set it right on top, right square on the line we had drawn around. And then we press. Okay, let it sit for 5 seconds here. And now why don't you very carefully pull that up, straight up, and then flip it over. See what we've got. And flip it over. Ooh, that looks nice. And this is going to change quite a bit. We want to get some of the white here on the edges. No, we may as well just do this. What do you think?
Yeah. It looks really nice.
And then do this. That way we've got those edges covered. Oh, this one's not. Let's put some white there. Okay. So you can see already that a lot of the cells are coming up. Let me hit it with a torch. And the reason that we use our torch or heat gun is because it's important to pop any bubbles that might be forming. And it also brings up some new cells. So it's going to be really cool. That's dipping. Okay, everybody, now is for balloon dipping. We're going to have a lot of fun with this one. So Diana, if you can come and just pour all around the canvas and towards the center this white paint. Now we are going to, here we go. We're going to take about maybe 3 or 4 of the colors. So let's do pinks and purples with this one, maybe a little bit of blue. So just do a little blue right here and maybe right here, maybe 3 spots of the blue, whichever blue that you like. Just 3 little round circles. And so while she's doing that, what I've got going is I've got one of my gloves as the balloon. You can also use water balloons or any other kind of round balloon that you like, but we're going to use this. I'm going to show you how to do this, and then we're going to try the other. So we're just going to take this and we're going to dip it and then pull up. It kind of makes that cool flower. You see that? Okay, so Diana, go ahead and do that with this one. Drop it down. You can push. All right, very nice. We might even want to do it over here. What do you think? Or do you like that?
Right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it right there. Okay. Look at the balloon.
I like the way the balloon looks a lot.
The balloon is cool, yeah. Isn't that cool? All right, so I'm wiping it off every time so that we don't get a lot of residual. So let's try it with this last one and kind of push and hold it down. You can roll it around, that's perfectly fine, but push, give it a little pressure. And now pull up. Very cool. Do you think we need something right there?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to just try this?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you go for it? Oh, that's cool. What do you guys think? We could move this if we wanted to, but I'm not going to. Sometimes I need to learn to leave the well enough alone. I just want to straighten up these edges here. But this is pretty exciting. Now these will take 24 to 48 hours to completely dry. They do have to stay completely level. Otherwise you will find what happened with my other one, and that was the paint completely slid off while it was drying. So look at the balloon. The balloon is pretty cool too, and that merits some attention there. So we are going to do a string pull next, and I'm very excited about this one because like I said, I've never done this before. I've never done the balloon before, but I'm very excited about it. Do you want to leave that there solid like that, or do you want to do this again, or you want to just see what happens with that?
We can do that one again.
You want to do that one again?
Yeah.
Okay, you go for it. Oh, cool. Cool. I love it.
Yeah, looks really nice.
That is neat. Okay.
It looks like a universe, you know?
It does. It does. Very nice. Okay, guys, balloon dipping is done. We're going to move on to string pull. Thank you. Okay, everybody, Diana and I are back with a string pull pour, and this is going to be really fun. Diana has already chosen the colors that she would like, and of course she's going to get to take these home. But what we have here is an 8x10, and I've got it propped up with some cups, and then I've cut string. It's just regular string. Maybe we can get a close up on this. Just regular string that I got. Let me show you the roll. I got this at Michael's a long time ago, and I just cut 5 of them out, of course, so that they hung over the sides of the canvas a little bit. And we're going to get started. Diana knows what to do here because I've given her little instructions. So why don't you go ahead and get started with what you want to do. We have to fill the canvas, so yeah.
With white?
Well, no. Just one strip across, but be sure that it's enough. Be sure you're using enough paint across so that pour a little more is what I'm saying. Because we do have to fill the canvas. So there we go. Yep, with all of our paint. Okay, and let's get this part hanging over the canvas a little bit. All right, now you lay your string in the white. Okay, now pour a little more over the top. You know, put a little more, yeah, white. Now the next color is going to go below it, not right on top. On top of the string. There you go. That's great. All right, next color goes right next to it.
This color?
Mm-hmm. Whatever you like. There we go. Now here's your string. You can add a little more. You can. All right, next color. There we go. And put your string. Let's just try to, yeah, let's just do that and not force any more on top.
Oh, you could just twist it.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so there we go. Now next color. And now we're going to take just a back end of a paintbrush, basically, And I'm going to have you do this. We're going to start here, and we're just going to grab all the strings as we go along and just pour them right off. We're trying not to affect the other ones that we just did. I'm going to move these. And do you see what I mean? So you capture that string, and then you just draw a line all the way down.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay. Make sure you're strong to capture all of the strings. There we go. And I just drag those up here. Get that one. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Get this red over the edge. And that's good. I think we're good. Yeah. All right. That is a string pull pour. And tons of fun. I really like the effect. Don't you love that? How it came up there. Now let me pop some bubbles here. Watch out, baby girl. And it might even bring up some more cells. Be careful again not to get too close with this because you can burn your canvas. And you can see here how my white paint is a little thick. There it is. Woohoo.
Oh boy.
Okay. Girl knows what she wants. That's beautiful. String pull pour. Okay, everybody. Thank you so much for joining Dallana Corona and myself. Remember to go out and get your friends and get your children and get your son's girlfriend to help you paint and have some fun and teach them something. Spread your knowledge. You know, leaders always duplicate themselves. And so this is what we want to do. Not only do we want to create for ourselves, make our lives better, but we want to help others too and make their lives better. And art can do that. Our life creates art. And so take your life and help someone else create their art that's unique to them. All right, you guys, don't forget, like and subscribe and hit that little bell so that you can be notified when new videos come up. We put out at least 3 to 4 videos every single week. So we love to hear from you, and like and subscribe, right, Dallana? Woohoo! All right, you guys, Shelly signing out. See you next time. Bye.